5 Best Toaster Oven 2020. We are going to check out top 5 best toaster oven in current time. I mean, this list is best my personal opinion. And I try to list them best on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see their price and find out more information about this toaster oven, you can check out the link down in the description and comment section below. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Top 5.
Hamilton Beach Toastation 2-slice toaster and countertop oven, black. 2-inch-1 compact toaster and mini oven saves on counter space. The easily removable oven rack and baking pan are dishwasher safe. 2-slice toaster with 1-1/2-inch slot. Oven fits up to 2 16-inch pizza slices. Electronic toast shade and oven temperature controls ensure consistent results. Slide function lever. Automatic shut-off. Removable crumb tray for quick cleanup. The oven walls, bottom of oven and glass door can be wiped with a damp, soapy cloth. Product built to North American electrical standards. Simplicity and versatility while cooking. Before cooking, select the oven mode and set on 450° Fahrenheit. This will activate preheat for 15 minutes.
Top 4.
Hamilton Beach 31344D Easy Reach with Roll Top Door Toaster Oven 4-slice silver. Easy access to food and countertop. The roll top door moves up and out of the way so you can have safe, easy access to your food before, during and after cooking. Easy to keep clean, door is up and out of the way of messy spills and drips. Bake, broil and toast. 2 rack positions and included bake pan makes it easy to get started on cooking a variety of foods. FITS 4 slices of toast or 9 pizza. Spacious interior gives you room for cooking everything from snacks to side dishes. Easy to use contoured knobs. Not only is this new design easier to maneuver, but they're safer too.
Check out the description for more information and latest price. Top 3.
Hamilton Beach Countertop Toaster Oven Easy Reach with Roll Top Door, 6-slice and Auto Shut-Off, silver. Easy access to food and countertop. Easy to keep clean, food can't spill on door. Bake, broil and toast functions. Dimensions, inches, 9.41 x 18.74 w x 15.24 d. 30-minute timer with auto shut-off, includes optional stay-on setting. Fits a 9 inches x 11 bake pan, 12 pizza, or 6 slices of toast.
Top 2.
Cuisinart TOB260N1 Chef's Convection Toaster Oven, stainless steel. Spacious 0.95 cubic foot capacity oven fits 13 inches pizza and 9x13 baking pan. 15 cooking functions, including innovative dual cook and speed convection. Digital controls with large blue backlit display and LED buttons. BPA free. Always even toast shade control offers consistent results slice after slice. Interior light. Unit actual dimensions, 20.87 inches LX 16.93 WX 11.42H.
Top 1.
Breville Smart Oven Pro 1800W Convection Toaster Oven with Element IQ, brushed stainless steel. Features an interior oven light to keep an eye on your cooking. 10 preset cooking functions include: toast 6 slices, bagel, bake, roast, broil, pizza, cookies, reheat, warm, slow cook. Capacity: 6 slice toaster, 13 inches pizza. Dimensions: 15.75 x 18.50 x 11 inches. Convection powered, an inbuilt fan that circulates the hot air within the oven. It speeds the cooking process by stripping away the cold air that surrounds your food. Non-stick cavity coating: the walls on the inside of the oven feature a non-stick coating for easy cleaning. Note: refer user manual before use.
All of the items are available on Amazon.com. I have included all the link in the description. You can check out the link for latest price. Guys, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please hit the link button below, share with your friends and be sure to subscribe.